Guys, it's Sphere1212 here again, and today I will be showing you a long-awaited MOC, my Republic prison based on Mandalore. So we'll get started in the battlefields. We have a disc thing, smooth round detail, Pre-Vizsla, and a Mandalorian, a whole bunch of super battle droids and commando droids. This little platform, and there's a clone right there. Some clones, dead clones, clones on the bridge. I'll get to that the features later. There's just more detail over here. A speeder bike. And then I'll get to the features later, but that's a door. And I'll get to that later. And then there's a little slow Peter. And I kind of have to destroy some of for the features. This guy on there, antenna. I did a stop motion. It's downloaded, I believe. Might be downloading, right? Blah, blah, blah. Hologram table. Food table, crate. Here, there's a big chain gun. In case any people come in. You know what I mean when I say people. Unless they're prisoners. And there's weapons and stuff from the bad guy. There's toilets and gun rack. There's files in the gun rack back. They're just marching back there. There's tons of clones. He's like standing there. He's like, He's a pilot. He's a speeder. He has like a camera, binocular thing. There's two more crates over there. And crates right here. There's a bed, game shelf, R2 units, guard, missile turret. I'll get to that later. Door, which goes into the prison. There's General Grievous, Count Dooku, and Pogo. And then on the other side of the table, there's General Corral. I don't know what he's doing. Yeah, General Corral. Okay, cut off. Okay, now we'll get on to the features. So let's get those guys off. This can open up. And then if that opens up, the bridge can come up. Which means no one can get in. But that is so people can get in. The antenna moves, spins 360 degrees, goes up and around. And there's quite some features in this one actually. This can slant around and then fires. And just reload those and aim better at the door. See if we can get it shut. Okay, that just totally went crazy. And there's a door which opens. And then there's a feature where you can flick the table. It's not supposed to go like that. Okay. Something weird is going on. It's supposed to go like that. Yeah, that's good. So that's... And you have a feature where you can bring the wall out. Boing. Yeah, I really like this base. So I'm not being too crazy because I really like this one. And I think it's pretty amazing. So that's been my clone prison base on Mandalore. Bye, and I'll see you next time.